you. What's your reaction? Huh? It's gonna pop soon, you know that, right? Right now, it's only a few seconds. Let's see when you get to the side. Oh, look at the puppy. He looks kind of afraid. Sticking his little tongue out, huh? Maddie Boo. How much more seconds? Looks like... I don't know. Oh, looks like the baby really wants to come out. Looks tired and bored. But it will pop soon, see? It's down and it will pop. Yeah, you won't be laying for long. I want to really get your reaction.